Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update. Returning here, number 174 for Monday, 24th of February, 2025. As always, you're very welcome here. Just remember that you're always responsible for your own trading decisions. First one here, RHM, Rheinmetall. Okay. We haven't covered it for a while, but Rheinmetall are. What I wanted to talk about was, who are some of the winners from the sort of German elections? Rheinmetall. Look at that share. All right, look at that chart there. It's a beauty, isn't it? But it's a beauty. Rheinmetall. Why are they accelerating so fast? Well, Rheinmetall are primarily a European defence company, and invariably, Rheinmetall make artillery shells. I mean, they make a few things, but the long and the short of it is they make artillery shells, cannon shells, okay? And basically they have not been able to make them fast enough since, of course, the war in Ukraine kicked off, hence why we have seen over the last couple of years just this absolutely beautiful, this beautiful trend. Those of you new to trading, investing, you hear me say it all the time, okay? Good trends leap off the chart at you. Don't force it, don't fight it. And you can see for yourself that this has basically accelerated, okay, over the last couple of months based upon invariably Vance's speech at the Munich Security Conference the other week, okay, Trump's comments as well. Basically, he's telling Europe to up their game and start to pay more and deliver more in terms of defending Europe. That's caused all sorts of angst and heartache amongst the Europeans, etc. But to be fair, I'm shocked that they're all sort of clutching at their pearls, acting shocked or surprised because Trump said this during his first term, and it should not have been a shock to anybody that he came out, and just repeated that at the start and has actually followed through on that. But as you can see, has not done Rheinmetall any good. Okay, and if anything, Rheinmetall's probably has probably done better over the last year than Nvidia, etc. Of course, everybody looks at those Mag 7 stocks and loves them, but as you can see, Rheinmetall has been working its way there. The interesting thing, as I read at the weekend, is that European defence spending has increased to I think it's around about 320 euro billions a year. Please, if you have a better handle on the numbers, please feel free to correct me on. But the interesting thing is that 80%, right, 80% of that European defence money is spent outside of Europe and European defence firms. And the whole idea is that there's just not enough production capacity in Europe. So, what we're going to see is probably German politicians and European politicians and our own Mr. Starmer grandstanding, all right, about talking about how they're going to raise defence spending, but the thing is, you need to have production capacity. It's all well and good to say we're gonna rearm, but you have to have production capacity to actually deliver upon that. I think Rheinmetall said that their order book for the next 10 years, even though they've opened a new factory, is basically they're maxed out already. Okay, so expect to see a lot of divergence between what politicians say and what the actual reality is on the ground. But anyway, Rheinmetall, look at that cracking chart.